Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our Wing Chun training session. It is part one of a Bu Sao tutorial for practical application. But before we go there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support.
Start just flat neutral or flat neutral. So your Bu Sao, man, the stuff I see with Bu Sao is kind of crazy. So your Bu Sao is from here, coming through the center line and out, coming through the center line and out. Here's your Bu Saos, right? Nice and simple. All I want is a method to my madness in this progression. He's going to throw his chain punch just one at a time. Just one at a time. What I want you to do is you identify the elbow and I want you to go across. Bu. He throws the next one. Watch what I'm doing. I'm coming through the center. Bu. Right? And all I'm doing is covering this center line. Throw it. I'm not pushing this out here. So my Bu Sao is just coming up, covering center line. Covering center line. Covering center line. Covering center line. Okay? So when you practice on your own, covering center line. Now, Bu Sao is one of those things that are pretty cool because you got center, central, and you can go beyond. But for the sake of this drill, I just want you to hold your Yiji Kunyama. Bu Sao. Bu Sao. Bu Sao. Okay, now we're just going to warm up with that. Just take a couple minutes, okay? Power. Good? Simple. Again, I just want you guys cleaning this up. He's going to shoot the straight punch. I just want you to shoot your Bu up, half step forward. Either lob or jut, strike and strike. All right, nice and simple. Bu Sao, so you can jut Sao punch, Pock Sao punch, or again, coming through here, Bu Sao. You can come back, lop and punch, Pock and punch. Again, I know it's basic, I know it's rudimentary, there's a method to my madness. I want you guys to really start cleaning things up and make sure your structure and your foundation is really good. Because things tend to go all over the place, so always move back to your basics. Remember, we're working a centerline block here, right? So again, and notice, I'm covering first, and then I'm taking the half step to close the distance. Are you all okay with that?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? All right, let's go to work. Go to line up. Someone will line up parallel, right? So he's going to do the same thing. He's going to take that deep step in, but this time we're going to use the Bu Sao. Nice and simple, right? So I'm going to half step back using the Bu Sao. So here's my lead, right? He's going to come in, I can pick it up, right? Move it off. Nice and simple. Come back, and then step up and finish. You all good with that?
Yep.
So what would happen if he threw the straight? If he throws it off the rear hand? Anything different? Nothing different, right? So either one. So I'm watching the lead elbow, my peripheral picks up the other one, right? So that's my focus. He's going to come in off the Bu Sao. I'm back here, and I come in. But if he throws it off the other hand, my peripheral picks it up. I'm going to create some space and work my way through. All right?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes.
All right, just off the Bu Sao. Then we'll try it all together. All right, Pock Sao drill. Parallel, just touch and look. So what I want you to do is you're going to go for your Pock, all right? And any time you want, go into the Bu Sao drill, right? Into the Bu Sao drill. So the Bu Sao drill could be done cross arm, right? Back to the Pock Sao drill, or the Bu Sao drill could go into be parallel, all right? Nice and simple. Pock Sao drill. You can Pock Sao, Bu Sao, Pock Sao, Bu Sao, Pock Sao, Bu Sao, Bu Sao, Pock Sao, Bu Sao, Pock Sao, Bu Sao, Pock Sao. We're back into what? Just the Pock Sao drill. We'll be back to the same thing into the Bu Sao drill. I want you to just mix and match it. So you have your Pock Saos and your Bu Saos. All right? What you're learning with this is distance, right? So distance and timing are like a fine line. Switch cross arms. So you're in here, you guys know you put distance, but if he takes a deep step, you should be able to ascertain your distance and know when he can hit you or she can hit you or when they can't. So he's going to take a little deeper step this time, which you take a half step back with your Bu Sao, then half step forward. Check and check. This drill is just based on distance appreciation. Back, right? Because if he comes in and I go in deep, this is going to be a clash. Now you're fighting force with force. All right? So understanding your range from here. So I'm going to half step back, cover, and then work my way back in. So remember, you always have the capability to interrupt because nobody really ever is going to throw one punch in a fight. But with that understanding in mind, as I half step back, if he comes in with something else, doesn't matter. You're back where you were before. You're Pock Sao and setting your distance. So I want to draw him in, right? Sun Tzu, all warfare is based on deception. So with that, I'm looking to create some space here also, okay? So I understand my distance, right? And I can draw him in. So one more time. Half step back with the Bu Sao, half step forward, either jump or Pock and punch, and follow up, okay? Nice and slow, guys. This is not about rushing. Go to work.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.